डेन्यूब होम्स ने अपना नया प्रोजेक्ट ऑलिव लॉन्च कर दिया। मुकामी खरीदारों और ब्रोकर्स की एक बहुत बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की। मिस्टर आतिफ ने तफसीलात का जिक्र करते हुए कहा कि ये एक वाव प्रोजेक्ट है। इसमें स्टूडियो, 1 बेडरूम और 2 बेडरूम के अपार्टमेंट्स शामिल हैं। ये अपार्टमेंट जदीद तर्ज के तमाम सहूलियात से मुज़य्यन है। इसमें खेल कूद, स्विमिंग, मस्जिद और कम्युनिटी की हर तरह की आसाइशों का ख्याल रखा गया है और ये शहर के वस्त में इंटरनेशनल सिटी के साथ मुंसलिक है। ये प्रोजेक्ट अपनी कीमत की वजह से वाव है। स्टूडियो फ्लैट 2,90,000 से शुरू होते हैं।
Always receiving this type of response and consumer support, the media support. I think that if you really look at it, the brand equity, the product that we deliver, the price point, the trust that we can have in organic products, I think all of it together creates the reason why people feel right. And I think one of the key reasons I feel is that people feel this is really good. It's not just food. They consider this to be, and that's why they come and buy regardless of the market situation. Let's say these are affordable things, right? For a great market segment. Even if there is recession, you don't stop buying bread, butter, milk and egg. You still buy that. So similarly, you would continue to buy because it's a necessity. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity.
चेयरमैन डेन्यूब ग्रुप मिस्टर रिजवान साजन ने मीडिया से अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करते हुए कहा,
750 apartment and the location was very good and we came out with a very good pricing. It's like a wow pricing. 290,000 dirham for a studio, which has never, when we had launched, I remember 1.5 years ago, it was sold out in 2 days time. And we got a big piece of land again, we were able to offer this price. I said, okay, let's go out. People talk about coronavirus. The coronavirus is not going to stay here for long, my friend. It's going to stay here for 3-4 months. We have seen much bigger viruses in the past, like SARS virus or swine flu virus. It was more deadly, more people were killed. More people died because of that. Nothing of that sort is happening in this virus. Even if you are affected, majority of the people are recovering. I mean, the death ratio of this is only 0.6% if you are below 60 years old. So, we are here to stay. I mean, timing wise, maybe we are launching the peak of the peak, but that does not affect for the project, because if you are planning to invest and planning to stay over here, whether it is today or 4 months, you would be in the same situation. I mean, we have not started, we have not stopped living. We are still enjoying. We are going to the restaurant. We are doing whatever activity is required. So why not look and coming and having